Malacca is a historical city. बहुत पुरानी city है. I think it is one of the oldest cities in Malaysia. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे culture का intermix है. Hey everyone, welcome back to our Malaysia travel series. It is our day 3 in Kuala Lumpur and today we are doing something a little different. We will be exploring the capital of the historic state of Malaysia, which is Malacca, and it is only a couple of hours away from the center of Kuala Lumpur. This place is also Malaysia's first UNESCO World Heritage Site for culture and a place of beautiful architecture of intact historical building and some old ruins. आज का डे बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है बिकॉज हम जा रहे हैं एक डे ट्रिप पे फ्रॉम कुआलालंपुर एंड इट इज़ अ हिस्टोरिकल सिटी एंड बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट जो मलेशिया आते हैं दे डेफिनेटली पुट दिस प्लेस इन देयर आइटनरी सो वी डिसाइडेड कि हम इसको एक बार ये चेकआउट करें दैट हाउ डज दिस प्लेस एक्चुअली इज़ एंड इज़ इट वर्थ गोइंग देयर और नॉट. तो हमने इसका पैकेज बुक कराया था क्लूब से बिकॉज हम बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड हो चुके थे एंड वी डिडंट वांटेड टू डू एवरीथिंग बाय आवरसेल्व्स एंड क्योंकि हम बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड हो चुके थे हमने सीधे कैब बुक करी है टू गो टू दी पिकअप पॉइंट दैट इज़ बरजाया टाइम्स स्क्वायर. सुबह 8 बजे का पिकअप है. हमने मॉर्निंग वाला ग्रुप लिया है सो 8:15 वी हैव टू बी देयर. अभी यहाँ से द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कैब केम आउट टू बी ओनली 7 ringgit. There was nothing open quite that early, just us and others waiting for the bus to arrive. After the last couple of hectic days, it should be a bit more relaxed and immersive with us just enjoying and not figuring out everything else by ourselves. The bus came and it was comfortable and our guide was friendly and chatty. He was very informative about the location as well.
Now, welcome to Kuala Lumpur. Welcome to Malaysia, ladies and gentlemen.
One thing he kept saying was that the journey to Malacca is very scenic. And you know what? He was completely right about it. It felt like a calm 3-hour drive of blue skies and greenery, and just a chance for us to unwind. Okay, so Kuala Lumpur से मलाका की जर्नी इज़ रफली 2 से 2.5 घंटे के बीच में है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी ट्रैफिक. और अभी हम यहाँ रुके हैं एक क्विक 15 मिनट्स के ब्रेक के लिए हाफ वे थ्रू अ जर्नी फॉर गेटिंग फ्रेशन अप एंड एवरीथिंग. देन बैक ऑन द रोड फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द राइड अराइविंग इन मलाका maybe just after 10:30 a.m. or so. Our first sightseeing stop was at St. Peter's Church. It is one of the oldest functioning Catholic churches in Malaysia. अभी हम हैं St. Paul Church के बाहर. This is the oldest functioning Roman Catholic Church in Malaysia. And आज Saturday है and आज शाम को यहाँ पे mass gathering होती है for the Christians. So morning hour में they keep it closed for the preparations and all. And so basically हमें conversation के बाद ये पता चला that don't plan to visit Malacca on Mondays because Monday को तो churches close ही रहते हैं any which ways, and on Saturdays because again they are closed for the mass gathering, and Sunday morning because Sunday को morning में mass gathering होती है so you will not be able to enter the church as it is because of the rush. So avoid these 3 days to visit Malacca. इसके अलावा everything should be good.
It takes only like 5 minutes from the St. Peter's Church towards the Dutch Square, and from there we will start doing the walking tour.
From there, we went to the famous Red Square to explore the colonial era landmarks like Christ Church, Queen Victoria Fountain, and Clock Tower.
Okay, Dutch Square is where we have a church which was built in 1753. It's called the Christ Church, the oldest functioning Anglican church.
is such an iconic spot, standing in the Dutch Square. You feel like you're walking through a postcard. We were given about 30 minutes here and then climbed up for a visit to the historic ruins of St. Paul's Church with sweeping views of the city.
Start walking up to the St. Paul's Hill. Why I like to take people up all the way to the St. Paul's Hill is because only if you go up, you get to see the view of the Straits of Malacca.
This one. Yeah, this
Okay.
one. This is Malacca tree. I'll show you a better tree later, yeah? We have more trees later.
So this was the first church that was ever built in Southeast Asia. हमारे background में है. It was built by the Portuguese in 1500. Right now हम सेंट पॉल हिल्स के एकदम बेस में खड़े हैं आफ्टर डिसेंडिंग फ्रॉम दी सेंट पॉल्स चर्च. यहाँ पर फादर फ्रांसिस की बॉडी रखी हुई थी फॉर 9 months before it was transported to Goa because he was originally from Goa and he stayed a long time in Goa. चर्च एंड हिल से नीचे उतरने के बाद वी आर एट द फेमोसा की ruins. दिस वाज आल्सो अ पुर्तगीज़ बिल्डिंग. ये पुर्तगीज़ का एक फोर्ट हुआ करता था विच वाज बिल्ट इन 1511 एंड उस टाइम की 1511 की इट वाज वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग ऑफ हाइट 60 meters. बट अब उसका सिर्फ एक ये गेट बचा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ruins. ये मेरे पीछे यहाँ पे नेशनल सल्तनत म्यूज़ियम है जो यहाँ के हेरिटेज थिंग्स को शोकेस करता है. So it takes around 30 minutes to see the actual heritage of this village. You can see हमारे tour के time पे we do not have enough time for this. So but you may take out some time and spend here. Then the bus took us for a quick lunch. And as for vegetarian food, it was doable, not as great. Would recommend to pack a snack or research 1 or 2 restaurants ahead of time. ये कुछ तो हमें स्वीट डिश मिली है. इट्स अ कोकोनट का बेस्ड स्वीट डिश क्योंकि हमने खाना कुछ खाया नहीं है. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी विल बी ईटिंग फॉर अवर लंच विद दिस ग्रुप. हमने लिटरली यहाँ पर 1 घंटा लोगों को खाना खाते देखा. हमारा अपना सेपरेट लंच चल रहा है बस के अंदर. We then went to the Jonker Street where we had about 2.5 hours of free time to explore, eat and browse the local shops. We wandered off to explore the charming lanes, wall art and little shops. अभी हम जिस स्ट्रीट पे वॉक कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है हार्मोनी स्ट्रीट एंड इट इज़ बिकॉज यहाँ पे चाइनीज़ बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल है, मॉस्क है एंड अ हिंदू टेम्पल इज़ ऑल्सो देयर. तो मेरे पीछे है चाइनीज़ का सबसे पुराना फंक्शनल टेम्पल. फंक्शनल टेम्पल से आई मीन कि यहाँ पर अभी भी पीपल डू लॉट ऑफ प्रेयर्स एंड रिचुअल्स यहाँ पर. हम अभी वॉक कर रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स द मलाक्का रिवर बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे क्रूज़ करने वाले हैं. ये 40 मिनट्स का क्रूज़ होता है एंड 30 रिंगिट्स का इसका पर पर्सन का टिकट होता है. सो हम सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आके क्रूज़ करने वाले हैं सो दैट वी नो हाउ मच टाइम डू वी हैव इन हैंड आफ्टर द क्रूज़. सो ये रहा टिकट काउंटर. We crossed the river and took the riverside walk, which really let us slow down and soak in the atmosphere. Not everything was perfect polished, but some things about this place kept us calm. The river boat ride was one of my favorite parts, floating past heritage building, under bridges and local going about their day. The quiet moments like that are good when you are in big cities. But a full disclosure here, it felt a bit rushed, especially if you want to also do the boat ride. Before heading back, we tried some local delicacies. We almost lost the track of time browsing the antiques, wall arts, the river walk, and eating some good vegetarian snacks. A handy tip here will be to keep small change in Malaysian ringgit with you because you may need them to use the public restrooms and facilities. धूप बच रही है। ये हमारा छोटा बच्चा सब जगह अटक अटक के चल रहा है, हैं? क्यों? We hopped on the bus by late afternoon. On the return, it started to rain a little, which actually made a nice backdrop. If I would want to visit Malacca again, I would either prefer staying one night or do it myself so that I don't have the time constraints. The night in the areas like Jonker Street get lively, and if you extend into evening, you will see a completely different vibe. Also, if you want to explore at leisure, the standard 2 hours might feel a little tight. There's so much to see and experience in Malacca. We were back in Kuala Lumpur around 6:45 p.m. Since we still had the energy as we had not been racing around all day, we decided to head out to the buzzing area of Tutik Bintang. This place is lively, well connected by a metro, full of street performances, boutique shops and cafes. Something is happening at every corner. We stumbled upon a K-pop style dance performance while in there. And these moments and interactions are what make travel memorable. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you are enjoying the Malaysia travel series, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. We will see you soon with more of KL's City Magic next week. अब शायद आज थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया है कि मेट्रो यहाँ पे काम कैसे करती है और कल हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ से। We just had our dinner for the day. इस प्लेस पे किया था हमने मिस्टर नान एंड मिसेस इडली, एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग फूड था. We feel so satisfied.